the Bengali film and television industry. Actor Rahul Banerjee, best known for his role in the 2028 blockbuster Chirodini Tumi Je Amar, has passed away at the age of 43. The tragedy unfolded on March 29, 2026 at Talsari Beach in Digha near the Odisha, West Bengal border. Rahul was on location shooting for a television series titled Bole Baba Par Karega. According to the reports, he entered the water after filming and was swept away by strong waves. Despite immediate search efforts, he could not be saved. Rahul's sudden death has sent shock waves across the entertainment fraternity. Videos from the set showing him performing just hours before the incident have gone viral, intensifying the grief among fans and colleagues. Police from West Bengal and Odisha are jointly investigating the circumstances of the drowning, though early indications suggest it was an accidental mishap during the shoot. Rahul Arunoday Banerjee leaves behind his wife, actor Priyanka Sarkar, and their 13-year-old son. Tributes have poured in form across the industry, with colleagues remembering him as a talented performer and the warm human being. This tragic incident is a stark reminder of the risk actors often face while filming on the challenging location for fans and Bengali entertainment world.